Hello and welcome back. This is Pragati Mishra with day 23 of my English speaking journey. Hey, my dear friends, today I want to thank you because today we had completed our family of 30 subscribers. Yes, approx 30 subscribers. It means a lot to me, my dear friends, because for someone it may be a small number, but for me it is one of milestone for me, completing a milestone. And of course I believe if someone interested to join me or to see my real progress through such videos which I am uploading continuously, it means actually they want to start their journey. And taking the first step, which is the steps among all the journey, it is very important. And if you had became the part of my family, then don't worry. Please see and relate with me whatever I'm speaking and whatever I'm trying to speak, because still I'm a learner and I'm improving. But my dear friends, if you relate with me, if you are watching me, it means that you are also in your phase of learning language. And of course, today today it is very important day, and let me tell you something very important about that day when I started my practice and whatever I learned till now. In short, we can say that when I started this journey on day one, I was scared of everything, my dear friends. Honestly speaking, I don't want to speak in front of anyone. That was my biggest, one of the biggest fear of making mistake, fear of being judged. These are I think common, and but among them, speaking in front of any other person, that is the one of the biggest fear which came in my mind. And my dear friends, I try to overcome when I started my journey, and when I taken the first step. So I was afraid of even saying hello. I was nervous about that word also. How would it sound, or am I doing it right or wrong? But learning so many rules before speaking, it creates confusion. And yes, I'm also a student who tries to get the fluency in English language. And learning before speaking, it created a lot of chaos in my mind. And and also, yeah, confusion also arised. That's why I changed my rule and I decided to speak first, then improve later. And when I upload my videos, I notice the mistake which comes in my mind while uploading. I try to improve in my next videos. Sometimes I repeat any filler words again and again, and that also embarrass me. But that is unfiltered, and I'm trying to show you whatever I'm speaking. So always keep in your mind that speaking or confidence, okay, confidence only comes when you start speaking. And of course I'm increasing, as I'm realizing that my confidence is increasing day by day. And it means a lot to me, my dear friends, not only in field of speaking. It means overall, I would like to say that please start speaking and express, try to express yourself. Because what happens now, if we speak in our native language, we express ourselves fully and we say everything completely. But when it comes to speaking English, we try to give the answer very shortly, and that is the first step when we avoid speaking. But we should understand that are we giving the right answer or complete answer. If we give them in our native language, are these answers are similar when we speak in native language and then speak it in English language? At that time, please compare, because such realizations helps you. And then only you can improve. So realization is also important. But my dear friends, realization will only come when you make mistake, and mistakes will happen, mistakes will take place when you start speaking. And I know that I repeated it so many times that mistakes are proof that we are learning. Dear friends, I am here to show my real progress. And if you relate with me, then start your journey today and don't hesitate at all. Because yes, so many confusions arises when we start any journey. So let's stop here and take your brave step and keep moving forward. Till then, take care. We will meet soon in my upcoming video. Bye bye.